Hi, welcome to Between Techie. So till now we have learnt about variables, different type of data types. So five kind of data types we have learnt till now, which is integer, float, boolean, string, and list. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the next data type. Okay. Next is set. Okay. What is set? Set is the data type. It is a combination of homogeneous and heterogeneous data. Alright. In set, duplicates are not allowed and indexing is also not possible. Insertion order is not maintained in the set. Alright. Insertion order means what is insertion order? So in the list data type you have seen, so all the whatever we have values here in the list, so those are not going to be changed. Okay, change means that position I'm saying. Okay, but in the set the order of the values that can be changed every time. That means randomly. Sometimes you can see here, suppose A15 high, but in set sometimes it will be displaying A15 high, sometimes high A15, or sometimes 51A high. So anything, the order will be different. It can be. Okay, and in the list we have seen the values will be in the square parentheses, but in the set we'll be having the values as in curly braces. Okay, so let's learn about this set data type. Let me just remove all these. Okay, so set is having some different operations. Let's go one by one. Okay, so first one is add operation. All right, so what is add? To insert an element into the set. Okay, suppose I have one variable a and the values are suppose high 2 4 9 0 r comma u. Okay, so this is my set. Okay, now I'm trying to perform the add operation. All right, let me add a dot add. Let me add one value. Suppose I am adding one value as 40. All right, let me print a. So this is my output 024 UR high 940. 40 has been added. Okay, that doesn't mean in the previous examples of list you have seen, like we have added the value through append. Okay, so that will be added to the last, I mean end position of the list. But here in the set there is no position. I mean, it will be, there will be the in session order. Okay, so it sometimes here it is in the last position, or else somewhere it can be any position. Okay, so now I'm going for next one. Next operation is clear. Let me just comment it. What is clear operation? Clear operation means to clear all the values from the set. Alright, suppose I am having a equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 4. Alright, a dot clear print a. See, set a, it is this means it is the empty set. Okay, that means a value, a variable is getting cleared. Okay, now a is not having any value. Okay, so a is having the set, but that set has been cleared. That means all the values has been deleted. All right, next is pop. What is pop operation? Pop operation means in the, if we are popping the pop operation in set, so it is going to delete the first element of the set. All right, suppose I am taking an example of the same whatever we have taken. A equals to 1 2 3 4. Next, a dot pop. Okay, a dot pop. Now I am just printing the value of a. So what will be the output of a? I mean, it will be popping the first value, which will be deleted. So what will be my answer? 2 3 4. All right, likewise we have a copy function. Okay, let me comment it. Next is copy. Okay, what is copy function? Copy is for to copy the values from one set to another set. All right, suppose I'm having, this is my variable a, which is having the set of values 1 2 3 4. Now I'm just copy these values to another variable, which is equals to, which is b equals to a dot copy. All right, so let me print a as well as let me print b. Okay, so what will be the output? A is having the values 1 2 3 4, and b is also having the values 1 2 3 4, because we have given a copy operation to the variable b. Okay, so now you can see the output it as same 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. All right, next we are going to learn about another operation, that is remove. Okay, so why remove is there? So remove is there for to remove user specific value. Okay, suppose I am having this set. Okay, Set of values are 1 2 3 4. Whatever value I want to remove, I can remove. Okay, so let me just perform the remove operation. A dot remove. I need to specify the value, what kind of value I need to remove, whichever value. Suppose I want to remove 2, I need to specify the 2 here. Alright, now I need to print A. Okay, so what will be the output? 1 3 4. Alright, let me comment it. Next I am going to teach you another operation, which is union. Okay, so union is, you might have knowledge of union. Union is to combining two different sets without duplicates. Alright, suppose I am having one set is as 1 2 3 4. Suppose another set, let me have as 2 comma 4 comma 5 and 6. Okay, so what it says, let me store in another variable. Result equals to A dot union of B. Okay, which means I am combining these two variables as one set. I mean, these two variables means there are two sets, so one, I'm combining these two sets to one set. Okay, which will give me the output without duplicate. Okay, so what are the duplicate values we have? You can see here it is 1 2 3 4, here it is 2 4 5 6. So what are the duplicate values here? 2 is the duplicate value from A and B, and 4 is the duplicate value A and B. Okay, so it is not going to give me the output as 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6. That means it is not going to give me the value as the duplicates, like 2 will be the twice and 4 will be the twice, so it will be single time presentation. Okay, let me print the result. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 and 4 both are having duplicate values, but those duplicates are not present here in the output. Correct. Now we'll go for the intersection. Intersection. Why intersection is needed? It is to store common elements from both the sets. Alright, whatever the common elements are there, all those common elements it will be displayed. Alright, so suppose let me take same two different sets. Okay, what are the common elements here? We have 2 and 4. Okay, so it should display the same. Let's see how it is working. So result equals to A dot intersection of B. Alright, let me print result here. So what will be the answer? 2 and 4, right? So this is intersection. Now we'll see another operation, that is difference. Okay, difference operation. So what is difference operation? This different operation is used to perform the minus operation. Okay, minus operation. You got, suppose I'm taking an example. Suppose I am having two different sets. Let me take it up. Okay, two different sets. A is 1 2 3 4, B is 2 4 5 6. Okay, let me do the minus operation. Result 1 equals to A dot difference of B. Next is result 2 equals to A dot, sorry, B dot difference of A. That means, let me write it, then I'll explain. Let me print result 1. Let me print, no, let me print A and B. Okay, because we'll be seeing the difference of whatever we have done the minus operation, which means result 1 we have taken, and here we are storing A minus B. Okay, A difference of B, that means A minus B. So once B will be getting minus from A, so what will be the output of A, and what will be the output of the B? That will be B minus A. So A will be removed from B. Okay, likewise. So let me run it. So what will be the answer? That means 1 2 3 4 and minus 2 4 5 6. Okay, so what are the common elements? Common elements are 1 and, sorry, 2 and 4. So what will be the answer for A? That will be 1 and 3. Likewise for B, the answer will be 5 and 6, right? I'm sorry, let me do this one. Result 2. Yes, so this will be, we have, why? Because I did a mistake, because we are just checking the A and B values again, so that is why it was throwing the same thing. So where we can see the difference, because the difference we have stored in result 1 and result 2, so that is why we need to take result 1 and result 2. Okay, so result 1 value is 1 and 3, and the result 2 value is 5 and 6. All right, so this is the answer, difference. Okay, now we'll be learning for is superset. Okay, another operation is superset. All right, suppose we have a list A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and B equals to 2 4 7 2 4 5 7. Okay, now we'll be checking like which one is the superset of another set. Okay, suppose I am taking another variable as result. Let me take result1 equals to A is superset of B, and result2 I'll take as B is superset of A. Okay, so what is superset? Superset means whatever the values are in B, so all those values will be present in A. Okay, A is having some other values also, but the same values also having in B. Okay, so that means B is the child of A, so A will be the superset of B. Alright, so that means here which one will be throwing me the output as true and which one will be throwing me the output as false. Okay, so which one? We'll see A is superset of B. That means, of course, we are whatever values we have in B, all those values are present in A. That means result 1 will be displayed as true and result 2 will be displayed as false because all these values are not present in B, right? Because you can see 1 is not there in B, 3 is not there in B, then 6 is not there in the B. So that is why. Let me run it. You will see the difference. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to print it. I missed out. Let me print result 1. Let me print result 2. Let's see. See? True and false. Alright. Next, we'll be see the another operation, that is just a second, let me comment it. Next is each subset. Okay, next operation is each subset. Next operation is each subset. So let me check whether A is the subset of B or not. Okay, and B is subset of A or not. Okay, so what exactly is subset? Each subset is just nothing but the opposite version of each superset. Okay, so whether B is the superset, B is the subset of A, or A is the subset of B. So what exactly the result? So result will be, you can see, you can analyze. B is having whatever the values, all those values are present in A. That means A is superset of B, so B is subset of A. Okay, so here in this case, what will be the output? Output will be A is subset of B, so this will be false. B is subset of A, so this will be true. See? Alright. Next, we'll be checking for another operation, that is each disjoint. Each disjoint. Each disjoint means to return true when there are no common elements between two sets. Okay, so it will be returned true when there will be no common elements in between two sets. Suppose I'm giving an example. A equals to let me take the list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Another one is b equals to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. So there is no common elements, right? Let me check. Result equals to a dot disjoint of b, right? Print result. See why it is returning true, because there are no common elements. Okay, if there is any common elements, then it will be false. Suppose I am saying here it is 8, that means we have a common element, right? So that is why it is giving me false, right? Clear till now? So next I am going for another operation, that is update. What is update operation? Update means to append or copy the values present in one set to another set. Alright, that means we are just copying or appending all those values from one set to another set, right? Let's take an example. A equals to, let me take the list 1 comma 2 comma 3. All right, b equals to 4 comma 5, right? Next, a dot update of b, that means I need to add the b values, all the b values to a. Okay, now let me check for both. I'll check for both. Print, let me check for b. Okay, whatever values we have in b, then print a. Okay, let me just comment it. Okay, let's check for b value, because we have updated for a value. A dot update means we have added b value to a, not a value to a b. Okay, so let's check for b value. B value still same, 4 and 5. Let me check for a value. Let me comment it. Let's check for a value. It will be 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is update. How update is working as how update is working as update will be adding the one set to another set. So this is update. All right, now this set is completed. Now we'll be looking for another data type. What is another data type? That is tuple. T-U-P-L-E. Okay. So what is tuple data type? Tuple data type is, it's a collection of data type it's a collection of data type which is used to store homogeneous and heterogeneous of data. Okay, and it is immutable, as I said you in the previous class, like tuple is immutable, you remember? So values cannot be changed. Okay, values cannot be changed. So this is tuple. Tuple is enclosed with the parenthesis of moon parenthesis. Okay, and count and index, those only can be performed in tuple since it is immutable. Okay, rest other things we cannot perform any other kind of operations. Okay, all right, then we'll check for tuple examples. There are multiple examples we have, so I'll tell you one by one. Okay, suppose let's take one example of single item tuple. Okay, single item tuple. Single item tuple means here comma is necessary. Okay, let's take one example. Suppose I am taking one variable as a equals to what I said, we have to mention the tuple in parenthesis. Normal parenthesis means one parenthesis or whatever you can say. So let me take it as apple, apple. Okay, let me check for the type of this. Print type of a. Okay, what is the type of a? See, it is showing me as string because this is not the tuple. If we want to see the tuple, then we must be having one comma here, then only it can be defined as tuple. See, class tuple. So this type is showing me as tuple. Okay, now we'll see another example. Suppose, let me comment it. Another example, accessing the elements from the tuple as per position or index, as per index. Let me write it index. Okay, suppose let's take one example of tuple. I'm taking one variable and assigning a tuple, suppose apple comma banana comma mango, okay, comma orange. Okay, so this is my tuple. Now I'll check for whichever the index I need to see. Okay, let me check for result. Result equals to fruits. Fruits is the variable I have taken, and to what position I need to check. Suppose whatever in the 0 I need to check. Okay, let me print this result. What will be the answer? Answer should be apple. Alright, suppose let me see whatever inside the fourth position. Fourth position means index will be 3, so that will be orange, right? Okay, So this is the indexing of tuple. Next we'll be checking for some other example also. Here we saw like we check for the index position, and it was showing me as it has been given the output as per the whatever value we have at the same position, right? Next we'll see we'll see the elements, not elements, we'll see the index. Okay, let's see accessing the index of the element from the tuple. Okay, let me take the same example. Fruits is having some values as apple, banana, mango, orange, etc. Okay, next I'll check for the index. How I'll check for the index? Through the elements. Result equals to fruits dot count. I said at the beginning, like in tuple we can perform only what kind of operation? Count and index. Those two kind of operations only we can perform. Okay, so previously we have given the index one, now we are checking for the count. Okay, suppose I am checking for the count. Not count. Wait. Mistakenly I have told. So this is accessing the index of the element. So fruits dot, let me check for index only, index of mango. Okay, let me check for mango. Let me print result. Okay, so what is the position of mango? 0 1 2. Okay, see, this one is mango. Okay, instead of mango, suppose I'm asking for banana, banana will be 1. Okay, all right. So now we can check for count. Count of elements present, present, present in the tuple. Okay, suppose let me take fruits. Fruits is the tuple and it is having apple, banana, again apple, next is orange, okay. So here if we'll see what is the count of the fruit apple. Okay, suppose we have taken one variable result equals to fruits dot count count of which one? Suppose we are taking apple. Let's see what there, how many apples are there. Okay, so let me print the result. Result will be 2. How many apple are there? 2. So that is why. Let me check for banana. Banana will be 1. Okay, clear till now? So this is how we can see the count of elements. Okay, now we'll see unpacking the tuple. Okay, let's unpack the tuple and we'll see the result. Okay, let me take player, I'm sorry, player underscore info. Okay, equals to suppose I am taking Rohit. Rohit, comma 43, comma India, comma cricket, comma 99.445. Okay, so suppose this is one tuple I have taken. Okay, now this is the tuple and we have I have 5 elements inside this tuple. Okay, player info is the tuple, I mean this is the tuple and the player info is the variable, and to this variable I have assigned this tuple, so which is having 5 elements in the tuple. Okay, now I'll be assigning this tuple to, I mean unpacking this tuple and assigning to other variables. Okay, so let me take other variables as name, comma age, comma country, comma sport, comma average. Okay, equals to player info. Okay, I have taken this one. So now let me just print the values of, suppose we have all these are different name, age, country, sport, average, all these are different variables, and I have assigned all these variables. What I have assigned? This tuple. Okay, this tuple I have assigned to these variables. Okay, so these variables I have assigned means, so the value of name will be Rohit, age will be 43, country will be India, likewise sport will be cricket, average will be 99.45, because I have assigned this tuple to all these different variables. Okay, so let me just print this one. Okay, so I'll take F. Let me print name. What is name? This one will be name variable. Okay, next is print age. Age will be what? what is the age variable? Age, right? So I'll take age. Next print is what? Country. Let me take country. Next is sport. Next is average. Okay, so let me print it. See, name is Rohit, age is 43, country is India, sport is cricket, average is 95. Correct? Next is, we'll see some different tuple operations. Okay, let me comment it. Add. Suppose we have one variable is a equals to let me take one tuple 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, another variable is having another tuple is suppose 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8. All right, let me print in a result. Result equals to a plus b print result. See, this tuple has been added 1 2 3 4 2 5 6 8. So this is allowing duplicate values also. Likewise, different operations also you can try for minus, multiplication, all those. Not multiplication, minus operations also you can try. Okay, multiplication also you can have. So multiplication will be in a different way, so I'll show you. Let me show you, that will be better. Suppose this is multiplication will be star. Okay, suppose let me take a is the variable and it is having high comma 1 okay. So now if I want to multiply this one to 3 times, I need to see this one 3 times or something else. So a into 3, next print result. Okay, see, high 1, high 1, high 1. So all these elements will be appeared 3 times. Okay, all right. Now we'll see slicing of the tuple. Okay, let me just do it. Comment it. Coming to slicing up tuple. Slicing up tuple means range of elements. Okay, we'll see what exactly it is. Okay, suppose a equals to I'm taking 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4 comma 8 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this one I have taken as tuple. Now let me take result equals to 2 is to 6. That means I have given the index positions. Okay, let me print the result. Okay, what is happening? Oh, I have not taken A. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, you can see what is the position of 2. 0 1 2, so it has been started with 3 because second 2 position is 3. Okay, till 6, 2 3 4 5 6, 6 means 8. Okay, you must be having you must be thinking like there are 2 8, but this one second 8 is having 6th position. Why it is appearing once? Because as I told you before in earlier classes, like the how the index will be working as index position will be working as the end position always working till or up to the position, not the exact position. It will be up to the position. That means minus 1. So till minus 1 means 6 minus 1 5. Till fifth of position it will be checking, right? So that is why we are getting 3 6 4 8. Right, clear on this? Okay, now we'll be checking one more example. Let me comment it. That is length of the tuple. Okay, we'll check length of the tuple. Okay, so what will be the length of the tuple? So let me take the same example. I have taken a equals to 1 5 3 6 4 8 8 9. Okay, now result equals to length of a. Okay, next is print what I did. Next is print the result. Okay, what is the length of the tuple? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means 8. So what is the length? 8. All right, Okay, next I'll give one example. Let me just comment it. Let me give one example for palindrome program. Okay, suppose I am taking one string, and this is just I'm giving one example for your understanding, indexing and all. So I thought I have not told you, so I'm just saying it. Okay, suppose I'm taking one example of string. It is Malayalam, and now I need to use if str equals to string of why I am giving this example, because recently I have used colon. Okay, so that is why I am just giving this one for your understanding of positioning. Okay, -1, suppose I am using -1 means, so it will be checking for the string from the last. Okay, so position will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so in the reverse case, if you will start from the end, so end will be -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9, right? So this will be your tuple, and let me just print it. In this case, it should be a palindrome. Okay, else it is not a palindrome. Why it is giving? Okay, I am not giving this one. Okay, yeah. So Malayalam is a palindrome. All right. So this is all about tuples. Okay. Now we'll be going through the dictionary. I know it is more timing. I think we can cover it in next class. Okay. So next we'll be learning about dictionary data type, and then we'll start with some other typecasting and all right. Okay, so yes, till now it is good. So I hope you enjoyed and you liked my video. If you think this is really helpful for you, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.